Check it out. This is an amazing recipe for bites and for every holiday dinner you have.
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Roasted potatoes with sun-dried and olive tapenade. Check it out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to cook our potatoes in the Instant Pots. And I have larger potatoes and smaller potatoes from the same bag. So after washing them, I cut the larger potatoes in half, but not all the way through. That way, they will both cook at the exact same time. And it's going to be about 10 minutes. Now I'm adding a couple of rosemary sprigs and I'm going to cook for 10 minutes my potatoes. If your potatoes are larger, you'll cook them for a little bit longer. And if they're smaller, for about 5 minutes. I salt them lightly and prepare our dressing. And this you can prepare ahead of time, both the potatoes and the sun-dried tomato mix. We have some sun-dried tomatoes that I slice, or you can also process them. Whatever you want is perfect. Process your sun-dried tomatoes with some rosemary and put them in a bowl with your black olives. Add some Greek yogurt and voila! Your mix is done. Now this keeps refrigerated for even up to 2 weeks. So you can use it anytime in between and then when you have your holiday meal or when you have an event. Now, what I did is that I took out the potatoes, baked them for a couple of minutes just so they're back warmed up again, and added some of the delicious yogurt, sun-dried tomato, and black olive spread on top. Ooh, this is delicious. Check it out. Both things can be made ahead. And then just reheat it. Enjoy, Chef Pachi! Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood! Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.